Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how I create this Foundation Powder Cosmetic. Okay, let's start it. First, open up your Blender, New File, General, press A to select everything, X to delete, go to the top view, press Shift A, Image Reference. You can download the image reference. I leave the link in description below. Over here, move it down here and go to the front view, press Shift A, add another image reference, this one. Okay, move this way over here, turn down the opacity by 0.5, this one too, 0.5. okay, press Shift A, mesh at a circle, tap to edit mode, press S to scale your circle, scale it like this, press EZ to extrude it down here, over here, press E to extrude, S to scale it, it's like this, press F to fill, select this edge, go to the front view, press Ctrl B to bevel it, and select this edge, go to the top view, Alt Z to see the X-ray view, press E to extrude, S to scale it, we need to scale it inside like this. Okay, press E again to extrude, Z, extrude on the Z axis down here, S to scale it, just like this, and press E again, Z, extrude it down here on the Z axis, press E to extrude, S to scale it, press F to fill them. Okay, we will have something like this. Press 3 on your keyboard, select all of this face, press Shift D to duplicate it, and press P selection to separate them, tap to the object mode, select this object, go to the top view, okay, tap to the edit mode, go to the edge modes by pressing 2 on your keyboard, select this edge, go to the front view, press E to extrude, Z, extrude it up here, just like this, and press E to extrude, S to scale it, just like this, and select this edge, go to the front view, Ctrl B to bevel it, like this. Over here, scale it up, just like this, and press E, S, extrude it inside, and press Shift R again, repeat, okay, and press F to fill. Turn on your professional editing and change it to inverse square, press GZ, move it up like this. Okay, let's see. Yep, it looks good to me. And just hide this first. Select this object, tap to the edit mode, press Ctrl R to add a loop cut, scale it over here, just like this, and press V to separate them, press Escape to reset the location, press L on your keyboard, press P, selection to separate them, tap to the object mode. Now we have 3 objects over here, here, just name it here top, and this one is middle, and last part is bottom. Okay, let's hide the top first. We need to add a little bit of detail over here at the middle, tap to the edit mode, press Ctrl R, add a loop cut, just like this, and select this edge, press GZ. Don't forget to turn off your professional editing by pressing O on your keyboard, press GZ, move it up here a little bit. Okay, tap to the object mode, select the bottom part, tap to the edit mode, Alt Z to see the X-ray view, press E to extrude, Z extrude on the Z-axis just like this, and press E again, S to scale it. Okay, tap to the object mode, go middle over here, tap to the edit mode, select this H, S to scale it, slide this. Okay, next press Shift A, mesh as a cube. Go to the top view, move your cube on the Y axis like this, Alt Z to see the X-ray view, scale your cube, GY, move it like this. Okay, go to the right view, let's see how it looks. G, move it up like this. Go to the front view, okay, like this. We're gonna do Boolean modifier. Just click on this object, add a modifier, Boolean modifier, and click this eyedrop, click on this cube. Let's hide the top first, and do the same at the middle. Add a modifier, Boolean modifier, click this eyedrop, click on this cube. Okay, hide this cube. Now we have something like this. We need to do the backup, so if we do something wrong, we have our backup. Select these two objects, press Shift D to duplicate it, press M, new collection, name it backup. Okay, and just uncheck this. Apply our boolean. This one too, apply. At the bottom part, tap to the edit mode. Select this H, hold Control, and click this H. Press E to extrude. Press Y, extrude on the Y axis, like this. Go to the top view, Alt Z to see the X-ray view. Press S, Y, 0. Press G, Y, move it over here, just like this. And select all of this edge, change your pivot point to a 3D cursor. Go to the top view, press S to scale, like this. Press Ctrl R to add a loop cut. Put it here, move it upside here. Okay, and go to the vertices mode by pressing 1 on your keyboard. Select these vertices, hold Control, put these vertices, press E, Z, move it up here, just like this. Change your snapping to the vertices. Press G, Z, hold Control, and click these vertices, so it will snap with the same height. Select these vertices and this one. Press M, merge at last. This one. Select this one first and this one. M, merge at last. Press Ctrl R. Over here, so it will have a new vertices. Just click and click this vertices. Just G twice, slide it up, just like this. G, Z, hold Control, and make the same height over here. Okay, select this H, press G twice, hold Control, snap to these vertices. Okay, click these vertices and this one, press G to join, and press Ctrl R. We need under loop cut down here. Just move it here. Let's do over here. Press Ctrl R. Add a new vertices. Click G twice. Hold Control. Snap to these vertices and this one. Press G to join them. Go to the edge modes by pressing 2 on your keyboard. Select this H, press F to fill, and select this H, F to fill, select this H, F to fill. Do the same over here. Select this H and this H, F to fill, this H and this H, F to fill, this H, F to fill. Okay, select this H, go to the top view, press E to extrude, S to scale it, just like this. Okay, go to the face mode by pressing 3 on your keyboard, select this face, all of this face, click, 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 Shift D to duplicate it, press P, selection to separate them, tap to the object mode, click this object, just name it maybe lock, select this object, tap to the edit mode, go to the edge mode, select this edge, press X, dissolve the edge, press A to select everything, press E to extrude, extrude on the Z axis like this, press A to select everything, click your pivot point, change it to the median point, and press S to scale it, just a little bit like this. To the top view, Alt Z to see the X-ray view. Press Ctrl R, we need a loop cut here. Press S, Y, 0, and press Ctrl R again. We need another loop cut over here, maybe this one, just like this. Alt Z to back to the solid mode. Press slash on your keyboard, press Ctrl R, add another loop cut over here. Go to the face mode, select this face, press X, delete the face. Back to the edge mode, select this edge, press E to extrude, Z, extrude it down on the Z axis, hold Ctrl and click this, the snap, and select this edge, F to fill, F to fill, F, and this edge, F to fill, just like this. Select this edge, press Ctrl B to bevel it, press the segment, just like this, I guess. Okay, now press slash on your keyboard. Let's see how it's look. Yeah, it's look pretty good. Let's bring back our middle part. We need another boolean modifier over here. Press Shift A, set a cube. Press G, Y, move it here. Alt Z to see the X-ray view. Scale this down. Just scale it, maybe like this, G, Y, like this. Move it down, click this bottom part, add a modifier, boolean modifier, click the eyedrop, click the cube, and for this one, add a modifier, boolean modifier, click this eyedrop, click this cube. Let's hide this cube. Click here, apply the boolean modifier, and this one, we need to apply the boolean modifier too. Click here, tap to the edit mode. Let's see what can we do over here. Just select this edge, select this edge, and press EZ, extrude it down here, just like this, GZ, okay, and select this 2 edge, press X, dissolve the edge, press Ctrl R. We need another vertices. This, click here, press 1 on your keyboard to change the vertices mode. Press Ctrl R, right here, click here, over here, select all of these vertices. Press G, Z, move it on the Z axis, just like this, and select these vertices and these vertices. Press Shift Ctrl B, bevel it so it will have like more rounded. And at the bottom part, press slash on your keyboard, tap to the edit mode. Let's see. Select these vertices, press G twice, slide it, just like this. Select these vertices again, G twice, slide it. Okay, select these vertices and these vertices, press X, dissolve vertices. Go to the edge modes, select this edge, press E to extrude, Y, extrude on the Y axis, and press E, Z, move it here, maybe select this edge and this edge, press G, Y, move it inside here, just like this. Okay, and change it to the vertices mode by pressing 1 on your keyboard. Select these vertices and this one, press M, merge at last, this one and this one, M at last. Okay, back to the edge mode, pressing 2 on your keyboard. Over here, press E to extrude, Y, extrude on the Y axis, just like this. Change it to the vertices mode again, connect them, just like this. Okay, change it to edge mode, press Ctrl R, add another loop cut over here, just put it here, click this edge and this edge, press F to fill, this edge, F to fill and F to fill, do the same over here, select this edge first and this edge, F to fill, and this edge, to fill and F to fill. Press less on your keyboard. Let's see at the object mode. We need to move this one inside a little bit. Tap to the edit mode, go to the top view, Z, change to the vertices mode, select all of these vertices, press SX to scale it on the X axis, just like this. I guess we need to fix this. Just click over here and check this one, X to delete the vertices, and over here, without these vertices, X delete the vertices. To the top view, press Ctrl R, add a new loop cut over here, move it like over here, and this one, Ctrl R, add a loop cut, just like this. Select all these vertices, press G, Y, hold Ctrl, snap to these vertices, just like this, and click here, select this vertex and this one, press G to join them, go over here, join, select these vertices again, this one, select this one and this one, press E, Z, extrude on the Z axis just like this, way down here, and press S, Z, 0, and press 2 on your keyboard to change it to the H mode. Select this H and this H, press X, dissolve H. Now back to the vertices mode by pressing 1 on your keyboard, press Ctrl R, click here, Ctrl R again, click here, and here, select all of these vertices, press G, Z, move it up like this, and select these vertices again, press Shift, Ctrl B, bevel it, just like this. We need to fix over here, select this edge, press G, Z, hold Ctrl, snap to these vertices, just like this. Add a modifier, we need to add a solidify, increase the thickness, just like this, and check even thickness. Let's see how it's look. Okay, it looks okay to me. We need to join these vertices, G to join, over here, G to join, and press Ctrl R again, add another loop cut over here, click these vertices and this one, G to join, Ctrl R again, click over here, click these vertices and this one, press G to join. Next, let's do over here, press Ctrl R, add a loop cut over here, Ctrl R again, over here, click these vertices and this one, G to join, click over here and this, G to join. Back to the object mode. Let's add a subdivision modifier by pressing Ctrl 2 on your keyboard and add a modifier, bevel modifier, move this way up, shade smooth, tap to the edit mode. Okay, press Ctrl R over here, slide it like this and this one, Ctrl R and move it. Click these vertices, G twice, slide it. These vertices, G twice, slide it. Okay, increase the segment of the bevel by 3 and change this amount to 0.003. We need to fix something over here. Tap to the edit mode, press Ctrl R, add a loop cut here, and Ctrl R again, click over here. Okay, this one, add a modifier, bevel modifier, increase the segment 3.003, Ctrl 2, to add subdivision modifier, right click, shade smooth. At the bottom part, add a bevel modifier, make it 3 segment, 0.003, add a subdivision modifier, right click, shade smooth, press less, let's fix this maybe, tap to the edit mode, click here, G to join, select these vertices and these vertices, G to join, press Ctrl R, slide this over here and Ctrl R, slide over here. Okay, let's see at the back, tap to the edit mode, click here, G to join, over here, G to join, press Ctrl R, insert the loop cut, put it here, and do the same over here, just like this. Okay, but it looks a little bit weird over here. Tap to the edit mode. Select these vertices, hold control, select these vertices, G twice to slide, G twice to slide, just like this. These vertices, hold control, G twice to slide. Let's see. Okay, the front, select these vertices, this one, G twice to slide, and this one, hold control, G twice, slide. Okay, press slash on your keyboard again. Let's see the top part. We need to scale this up on the Z-axis. Tap to the edit mode, Alt Z to see the X-ray view. Select all of this, Z, G, Z, move it up, just like this. Okay, click this top part, press slash on your keyboard. Tap to the edit mode, click over here, press E to extrude, S to scale it, just like this little bit. Press E again, Z, extrude it on the Z axis like this. Press E to extrude, S to scale it, just like this, F to fill. Press slash again, we need to fill over here. Tap to the edit mode, press Ctrl R to add a loop cut. Yeah, just like this, and Ctrl R again over here, and Ctrl R over here. Okay, press 3 on your keyboard, change it to the face mode, select his face, press E to extrude, extrude on the Z axis, just extrude like this. Yep, press SZ0. Add a bevel modifier, make it through segment, change it to 0.003, press Ctrl 2, add a subdivision modifier, right click, shade smooth. Okay, we're almost done here, except for this one. We need a loop cut, press Ctrl R, put it here, just like this. Press slash on your keyboard, press Alt Z, with your face mode, select all of this face, press Shift S, cursor to selected, tap to the object mode, right click, set origin, origin to 3D cursor. Okay, press slash. So if we go to the right view, it will rotate it like this. Do the same over here, right click, set origin, origin to 3D cursor, let's rotate it. Yep, press H to hide the top part. Let's select this one, tap to the edit mode, press Shift D to duplicate it, press P, selection to separate them, tap to the object mode, select this object, name this object to powder, press the solidify, just the thickness outside like this, just a little bit like this. Okay, click over here and click the middle part. Press Ctrl P, prepare them, objective transform. So if you move the middle part, the powder will follow it. Yep. Hide this first, and bring back the top view. Press slash on your keyboard. Tap to the edit mode. We need to do the mirror. Select all of this, press Shift D to duplicate it, press P selection, tap to the object mode, name this one mirror, press G, Z, just move it like this. Okay, and select this top part, Ctrl P, objective transform. Okay, for the last part, let's hide the top part. We need this one, Shift D to duplicate it, remove the bevel modifier, press slash to see it, and remove the solidify, tap to the edit mode, press A to select everything, press E, Z, extrude it just like this on the z-axis. I don't know what to call it, this one. Hide the middle part and the powder. Let's move this inside like this. Okay, select this one, press Ctrl T, object key transform, press Alt X to bring everything. We don't need this cube anymore, press X to delete. Let's see, rotate it. It's too big, press F, press S, Z, scale it down. Rotate it. Okay. Now guys, we are done with the modeling. Let's go texturing. Change Eevee to cycle. I'm only using CPU, and change the sample to 50. Color management, change this to filmic and high contrast. Expand this window. At the bottom over here, expand it, and over here UV editor. For this one, change it to the shader editor. Change it to the viewport setting. Uncheck this over here and press T. Okay, click here at the top part, new material, just name it black, just make it simple black, dark here, and turn down the roughness. Click the middle part, click the bottom part and this part, click the top part again, press Ctrl L, link material, click this mirror, new material, just turn down the roughness to 0, press the metallic. Next, for the powder, over here, that's new material, just name it powder. First you need to go to edit, preference, add-ons, just install the node wrangle, save your preference, and press Shift A. We need to color ramp, and another, press Shift A, search for wave texture, connect the color over here, and at the wave texture, press Ctrl T, and hold Shift Ctrl, click on the color ramp, change generate object to vector, change it to spherical, and at the Y location on the mapping node, just move this over here, put it in the middle. Let's move it down here, press Shift A, we need a bump, click bump over here, connect the color to high and normal to normal, click on your principal VSDF, Ctrl Shift and click, change the color like this, I guess. Let's see, change it. It will look like this. And linear, maybe we need to change it to east. Increase the dark color on the color ramp like this. And let's add another node. Press Shift A, search for noise texture, press Ctrl T. We need a color ramp. Just click over here, connect object to vector, press the scale, just like this. Click this bump node, press Shift D to duplicate it, put over here, and press Shift A, search for matte node, click here, and connect normal to the value over here. For the vector, connect this to high. Yep, it will look like this. Increase the roughness, maybe the scale, just like this. Okay, and click over here to the normal. Shift Control on your keyboard, click your principal BSDF. Yeah, it will look like this. It looks like a powder to me. And this one, new material, just Shift A, search for wave texture, Ctrl T, and Shift A, color ramp. Move this over here, connect color to vector, Control Shift on your color ramp, just increase the scale, just like this. Okay, let's add another node, maybe Shift A, search for bump node, connect color to high and normal to displacement. Turn down, change this object to vector. Turn down the strength. Let's see how it looks. Turn down the roughness, increase the roughness. Yeah, maybe something like this. Okay, I guess we are done here. Thank you for watching.